Okay, we decided to try a new project, and that was to build us a parabolic microphone that we could use in capturing vocalizations. And looking on eBay, we see that these different parabolic reflectors will run about $300 to $400. So I figured out a way to do it a lot easier, and I'm going to show you how to do that. What I used is just a regular old punch bowl. It's a 16-inch diameter punch bowl, and it turns out that it works out fairly well, simply because it is more directional. In other words, the sides come up than a lot of other dishes that you get. So the deeper the curve, the more directional it is. And what I'm using for a microphone is a sonic ear that you can get on eBay for anywhere from $5 to $29. Okay, this is the heart of the amplifier. It's a regular sonic ear. You can get them on eBay. And all I did was drill a 1/2-inch hole in the bowl, in the center of the bowl, and then I went and super glued the super ear to the center of the bowl with the part sticking through. And of course this little foam rubber piece comes off, so you can put that on later after you get it in the bowl taken. Now this may not look real pretty, but all I used was a paintbrush roller handle and to bend it to where I could glue it to the back of the bowl. And you can see the super ear right here is glued to where it sticks through the bowl. To give you an idea of the setup, we took the sonic ear and put a splitter on it, and one end of the splitter goes to the pocket recorder, or any recorder will work that has a 1/4-inch adapter, and the other one goes to headphones so you can listen to what the noises that you're trying to record. So that's the heart of the system. There's our dish antenna. Now what about the performance? As far as performance goes, we have the 16-inch dish, and we took it out into our cul-de-sac, and we hooked everything up in the headphones, turned everything on, and we started testing it. We can hear footsteps on the concrete for up to 60 yards. We can hear someone talking at a very low tone, above, just above a whisper, at a talk at about 100 yards. And of course we can also listen to birds and so forth. Now, like I said, this is very directional, so it comes in handy when you're trying to figure out where your target is actually in the bushes or whatever. So we are going to take this piece of field equipment that is homemade but works very well up, and we're going to try it on Bigfoot. And that's it. One of the things that we've decided to try to do with this directional parabolic antenna is we're going to make a second one. We're going to go out in the field and put each listening post or each parabolic antenna at a given location with a given GPS point. And then when our Bigfoot member starts sounding off, we should be able to get a general vector from each point, which will allow us to draw a line from the listening posts across on a topographic map. And where those two lines intersect is where our Bigfoot will be. Well, he'll actually be out there making the noise. So we should be able to get a location on him at that time, and even maybe send a team in to try to photograph them. Good experiment to try, and that's one of the things that's coming up this year. See you later.